Let's transform my doe eyes into siren eyes. So my eye shape is kind of round and we want to make it like seductive. Siren eyes are more elongated, so we're gonna work on this part more. I'm just using a black pencil just to draw a line. And I'm stopping just above my crease, and now I want to connect this to my lashes. Then I'm also connecting this wing to the crease, just like that. Some over here and over here. And then you're gonna take a pencil brush and start to blend that pencil. Some black eyeshadow and just go over it. Also, you want to keep this part empty, so no shadow here. Now take a wipe and just clean this part. Now some highlighting. Mascara. And that's it, now you have siren eyes. They just look so mysterious.